Okay, so in today's video we are at the Plenty River. So this is a Plenty River, and around it you can see there is not much exposure of the rock. So if we zoom in, just here there's some exposure. That is the Dargole Formation. So the strike and dip is coming towards us. So if we go this way, the strike is like this, and the dip is probably about, I think about 60 degrees. So it's quite extensively folded. And so the Dargole Formation forms both sides of the river. And where I am now is the Dargole Formation as well. And if we go up, you get into the Anderson Creek Formation. And pretty much, while I haven't been up there, there is a anticline, and it probably is at the peak of that hill. So you got the strike on this side and strike on that side. So that's what I've read from the geological map. And if we turn around here, you can see how we have a rise. So here is the rise, quite distinct, and this road's pretty noisy. So that's the Basalt Formation, that's where it stops, and the flat part there is the Dargole Formation. So the Anderson Creek Formation is not on this side. So, and here we have some kangaroos. And over there, that hill over there is also part of the Basalt Formation. As you can see, quite clearly it levels off, but that also could be due to erosion as well. But because it's only between 1 and 2 million years old, the erosion weathering of the Basalt Formation has not had a major impact of where it initially formed. And it's quite windy. So if you go down the road that way, you see good exposures of the rock, which I'll make another video when the weather is a lot better. So you can see the hills here. So generally on the high parts of the hills is either the Dargole Formations that way. The Anderson Creek pretty much finishes probably roughly about where that house is, and the Anderson Creek Formation goes around there. So if you want to find fossils, the Anderson Creek Formation is where you look. The Dargole Formation doesn't have many fossils in it. It is a mudstone, so it is deep marine, so it's less likely to have fossils. The Anderson Creek's mudstone and sandstone, and I think it's like turbidite, so it comes down from this shallow section of the continental shelf to the deeper section. Look, cockatoos. And this is all revegetated. So that is the Plenty River, and this is Middle Gorge Road. So very busy, but quite nice if you want to come down here. Peoples. So that's all private property mainly on that side, so you're not probably going to be able to get access to it.